Hi, I'm Matt Perry, Perry Window Cleaning. I want to show you what pure water cleaning looks like. We bring our own 100% pure water, zero TDS, that way it won't spot the glass, and we wash with no soap, no chemicals. We agitate the dirt loose and give a final rinse of pure water. Walk away, let the window dry. It's spot free, stays clean longer. Pure water cleaning. For technical, yes, there's carbon filter, sediment filter, reverse osmosis unit, and a DI resin that it's all put through before we store it in a tank and bring it out to your location and clean the windows on site. With our hoses, our carbon fiber poles that can go up to 4 stories. It's an amazing system. A lot of folks are skeptical. They think you have to have soap to clean. You only need soap for the squeegee to glide if you're using squeegee like on the interior. However, agitation loosens the dirt into the watery solution, and then you rinse the water off or squeegee the water off, depending on what you're using, and that gives you a clean window if you have the skill to clean it off without interruption and a smooth motion. So anyway, we've got some before and after pictures. We've actually got the water fed pole in use on actual customers, so you can see what's going on. So it's something to learn. Yeah, a lot of folks are skeptical, but we wouldn't invest $10,000 or more with carbon fiber poles and our setup and our filtering system if it didn't work. So enjoy, and hope this gives you a good understanding of how we clean windows with pure water whenever we can and avoid ladder work.
How would you like to have the best window cleaner in your neighborhood? His workers have trustworthy faces and show respect to him. They respect your property.
My window cleaner is so efficient. When he's finished, he just leaves everything wet. The first time I got upset with him. You can't do that. You have to clean that up. But he explained.
Think about how they wash your car. We do the same. Instead of using squeegees, we use brushes to get the dirt off the glass and ultra pure water to dry spot free. To get the brush to your second-story windows, I use this high-tech carbon fiber telescopic pole. That means I don't have to use a ladder anymore. That's good for you, because the last thing you want is to find a ladder guy paralyzed in your driveway one day, right? We use Reach It, so I can be the least inconvenience to my customers. He's faster, he's safer, and remember, he can reach every spot. Only he leaves everything wet, but it dries with a shine.